Hey Nikhil, it's Anthony down at Anchor, just with that video of the X1. Going to try and give you a good overview of the car inside and out. Starting with the driver's front quarter. All in good condition. Other than a couple of dead flies from the last test drive. Front bumper's in good condition, as is the bonnet. Move around to the passenger side. Alloy wheel and front quarter in good condition. No adverse scratches on the wing mirror or either of the doors and the trim at the bottom. Rear alloy wheel in good condition as well. Can't quite work out. No, that is that's just a bit of dirt on that. Didn't want to make sure it was a scratch. Coming around to the back of the car, the back quarter. I think someone's decided to do a touch up on the vehicle before. Boot seals sometimes can be a bit susceptible to a bit of scratching. The light's all fine. Back round to the driver's side, quarter panels and doors, all pretty good. Slight mark on the wing mirror, and as you specifically asked for, inside door card in good condition. No excessive wear to the driver's seat bolster, no splits. Look at the passenger side, in good condition as well. Just get to the back of the car. Probably both agree that's in good condition as well. No excessive wear on the base of the seats. If anything, maybe just a tiny bit there. And then on the back of the passenger seat and the driver's seat. It's all good. Hopefully we can have a bit of a further chat on the car. If you want to give me a call, or if you want to do it on WhatsApp where we send this video over, whatever's easiest. Speak soon. Bye bye.